Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly import website content to train your AI chatbot. So training your AI chatbot in BotPenguin makes it smarter and more tailored to your business needs. If you want to know about it in detail, then the video link for what is the use of train your AI chatbot is given in the description box below. You can check it out. To train your AI chatbot using the website, you have to firstly select the bot. On the left hand side, you will find the list of bots. For the demo purpose, I am using this website chatbot. Then you have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section. Here, you will find different subsections: website, file upload, Google Sheets, FAQs, conversation history, and other sources. You can use all of these options to train your AI chatbot and make it smarter. Let's talk about training with website. You have to click on the Add Website button right here. And here you have to simply enter the URL of your website. For the demo purpose, I am entering BotPenguin's website URL here. You can also add the links of specific pages here. From here, you can select if you want to scan all pages of the website or if you want to scan a single page. You can also select Scan JSON information if you only want to scan the JSON information from your website. For now, I am selecting Scan a single page, and then you have to click on the Train button right here. And as you can see, the model training has been started. In this training, BotPenguin will start extracting content from your website, and in a few seconds, you will see the extracted data. If you are scanning more than one web page, then it can take some time to extract the data. To check the training status, you can simply tap on the category name right here, and the training status will be shown here. And that's it. Your chatbot is now smarter with your website content. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment, or you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.